11 is really a position we call side control. Your objective is to control your opponent by applying your weight on him and then set up for a mount or a submission. Your immediate danger is your opponent being able to go back to guard or to his knees to escape from you. Here's the technique. As you pass the guard and establish your base, you'll place your left hand across their body and put your left arm flat on the ground with your elbow tight against your opponent's ear. You will then place your right arm against their hip on the near side and you'll have posted on the mat. You will control your opponent by driving your weight a little over and onto his chest. Some of the common mistakes are as follows. Number one, you don't place your bottom hand on the near side next to his hip on the mat, allowing him to pull you back into guard. Number two, you allow too much space, which allows your opponent to get up to his knees. Technique number 12 is a choke from side control. Your objective is to finish the fight by submission. Your immediate danger is that your opponent can turn into you and reach your legs for a possible reversal. The technique. As you maintain your solid base and side control, you will lift your left hand and place your thumb deep in his collar as close to the ground as possible. You will then ball your fist and confirm a good, tight grip on his collar. Then bring the blade of your forearm across his neck as if you were using your forearm as a paper cutter to slice his head off. You will continue to hold this until he taps out. If he does not tap, maintain the pressure on his neck and point your elbow up toward the top of his head until he taps. Some common mistakes here are: number one, you're not placing your choking hand in deep enough on the far side, and number two, you're not placing the blade of the arm across his neck.